good, everyone? Welcome back to another episode. Today's going to be pretty good. We're actually going to be heading to AutoFest in Daytona, so I think it should be a pretty good turnout. Looking to hopefully see some cool cars, get some cool content, and some epic experiences. Alright, so once again, thank you guys for tuning into the channel. My name is Kirk, and let's get started. And also, before I forget, we're using a brand new vlog setup today that my brother lent me. I'm actually going to be testing out this camera to seeing how the quality is and possibly bring it to the channel. So if you guys like the quality, please let me know down in the comments. And yeah, let's get to it. So as usual, before we get anywhere, let's get a cold start from the car. Alright, so we're here now, AutoFest Daytona. Just gonna walk around and see, just check out some of the cars. Seems like a pretty good turnout. I know it's kind of hot right now, so a couple people have left, but still a pretty decent amount of people here. So I was gonna walk around and see what's really going on. Mustangs.
Sorry for being a douche. No fucking rubbing it.
So as you can see, the hoonigan shit has begun. Check out these cars over here. Aventador. Yeah. Next clean on right there, so. GTR. Ford Lightning. Oh, this was a sick truck back in the day. Still is right now. It's sick if they would make a new version. What do you think of this, Mark? Yeah. Yeah. Wide body Hellcat as well. Yeah, but look at the back. Yeah, man, totally. I already know what this guy does. Yeah, catch it. Catch it. Yeah, nice example of a 370. What do you guys think?
bitch on that beat going crazy.
Yeah, we definitely came too late today. Everybody's kind of leaving out right now. Just doing one more circle to see if I catch anything extra. And yeah, let's keep it going. Check out this lifted truck, it's pretty sick. And then this dunk right here, pretty nice too. We saw this nice E30 just chilling here in the parking lot. This will actually make a really cool project. What do you think, Mark?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. What do you guys think about E30 project? Like fully restored. Probably do like a what, S54? Or maybe even a boosted engine. I think this would be pretty cool. Alright guys, so there you have it. Pretty happy to be back out on the streets. A really good turnout. I kind of wish we had gotten here earlier, but you know, it is what it is. There's actually going to be a lot of car shows coming up next month, so stay tuned every single week for a new episode. Thank you guys for tuning in to this week's episode, and we'll catch you on the next one. See you later.